What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Everything that I talk about is going to be about Samsung in this video, which you're like, it always is. Not always. Sometimes I throw a little kibble and bit of something else. And also, this should be official information. I have an inside source on this information, and you can match this up when this actually gets released. But everything I talk about, and I have my little notes right here, is going to be about the Galaxy Note, the Flip 5G, and the Galaxy Fold 2. Let's get into it. So as you know, Samsung Unpacked officially will be August 5th. Well, you might want to know about release dates. Now, I don't have release dates for every single device except for the devices I just mentioned, so let's talk about that. These should be, again, official release dates, so you should be able to live by these. If anything changes, I will let you know. Galaxy Flip 5G will come out on August 7th. August 7th, Galaxy Flip 5G. Next would be the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. I don't think it's going to be called the Ultra. I think it's going to be called the Plus, but regardless, it's that Plus Ultra version. That'll come out on August 21st. That's what we've been hearing so far, so not a huge difference or anything with that. Also, pricing. I have the pricing on the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Plus Ultra. So let's talk about that. The Galaxy Note 20, $999. That's how much it will be when it comes out. I believe it's only going to be one version, at least here in America. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus / Ultra, whatever they end up calling it, 256 gig model will cost $1299. There's one other model. It's the Galaxy Note 20 Plus / Ultra 512 gigabyte version. That'll be $1349. So only $50 more to get double the storage. I also don't know if it ends up with 16 gigs of RAM. I'm trying to find that out, but ultimately $999 for the Note 20, $1299 for the Note 20 Plus 256, and $1349 for the Note 20 Plus 5G. What about, I have a release date now also for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. If you've been following along with it, it's been like, it's gonna come out early, it's gonna come out late, it's gonna come out here, it's gonna come out there. So far, the official release date for that is September 18th. So again, September 18th, Galaxy Fold 2. I don't have pricing on it. I'm trying to get that information. So there you go. Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, September 18th. And I'll rehash everything again for you one more time. Release dates, Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Plus Ultra, August 21st. Galaxy Flip 5G, August 7th. Galaxy Fold 2, September 18th. Pricing on the Note 20, $999, Note 20 Plus 256, $1299, and $1349 for the Note 20 Plus 512. I'm also trying to get information on the Beans cost and release date, like official release date and official pricing on that. If there's anything else you want me to find out, let me know. I also was trying to find out information on the Galaxy Watch and also the Tab. We've had some rumors about dates and things like that for those, but this is what I have so far that seems pretty much official at this point from my source. And this is like a really, really good source I've gotten here. So we'll see what ends up happening. Thanks for watching. What are you excited about? What are you not? Are those prices good for the Note? Do you think they're fair? I think the sweet spot, I mean, it's $1349, but I mean, to get double the storage, and again, I don't know if there's more RAM in this one. If there's more RAM in this, 16 versus 12, or $1349 is a great price to get in there for $50 more to get all that storage. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.